Morning students. Today on topic chemistry we are doing formula for a unit cell. This is our topic today. In a NEET we get at least one question. Sure. Definite question out of 45. And again I will trouble Professor JAIKUMAR L, Head of the Department of Chemistry, MSc Mphil of Vijaya College. I am thankful for the guidance, academic guidance, and study materials. We start with from the basic, whatever we discussed. I am going to start now. This program started by the Vijaya College, and this is going to be the 9th class, I think, 9th class of NEET. And for IIT JEE also we have been preparing, and already some classes started it as uploaded in the YouTube, and it is guided by, it is only for economically and academically weak students section. Majority of the students, they can't pay the fees for tuition fees or tutorial fees, and very difficult for them. And some students are, even though they are attending the class, because of lot of crowd in the class and very difficult to ask some questions, the students, they have hesitated to ask the question with the teachers, and it is very difficult for any teacher to clear all the doubts for all the students in any tutorials or class or something. This is going to be a little help on that connections we have started here, and I am thankful for the management of Vijaya College, the BHS Higher Education Society, and the principal and the faculty members and the student representative. Anyway, we start that. What is a unit cell? This is a unit cell. Okay. See, in your solid state I have given here formula for the unit cell. See, this is corner, this is edge, and this is edge center. Now this is face. Now this is called face center. This is face, this portion. Face center. Body center, Okay, body center. Corner, how many corners? 1, 2, so many, 8 corners. This is the face. This is also face, is it not? This is the face diagonal. See, this is the face diagonal. Or here, this is also face diagonal. Face diagonal, face diagonal. Face diagonal will be like this. See, from here to here, so body diagonal. See, this is look at this point. Right? See, you take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. From H to C is the body diagonal. See, we have a separate model it has built that you can buy from that Eric company, Eric models. There this model is available there. Okay. Now, you know, these are the corners, edge center. This is the face. Then face diagonal, body diagonal. Is it clear? How many corners is there? That is important. Okay. See, let us calculate how many corners. 1, right? Like this, how many corners are there? Tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are how many corners? Corners. Total corners are 8. Okay. Total corners are 8. Now, see, this is one face. Top is one face, right? ABGH is one face. Another face. This is another face. GBCF, another face. 1, 2, 3, 4, front page 5, back face 6. There are all faces. How many faces are there? See, number of corner 8. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Okay. Now, how many edges are there? 1, 2. I'll write it 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 8, 9, 10, 11, and edges are, there are 12 edges are there. How many edges? There are 12 edges. Carefully do it. Okay. See, how many body center? Only one, is it not? Body center is one. Slowly you have to do it. It's very difficult because you may get confused. For body center is, see, if this atom present at the corner, see, what is its contribution? contribution. Corner as a contribution. How much? 8, is it not? Therefore, its contribution is 1 by 8, is it not? Have you seen this type? Already previous class. This one, this one, this one. Do you remember? That is every corner contribution is like this, see. Do you remember? That is, I already said, a sphere if you cut into two equal hemisphere, top hemisphere and the bottom hemisphere, right? That means a sphere can be cut into 2 parts, and this I can divide into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. This one, and each portion, how it looks like. Can you follow? That is fixed here. That means all this 1/8. Only one sphere. If this one sphere bursts, all 8 corners go and sit. Can you follow? That is the contribution of the corner is 1/8 of the sphere. Next, face. For face, how I done? See, this is one crystal. A, B, C, D. No? A, B, C, D. This is C and D. This is A, B, C, D. You have another identical crystal, adjacent crystal. That is what? A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. And at the face, only one sphere. That means half of the sphere go to this crystal or this cube, half of the sphere goes to the other cube. Therefore, similarly here also, if you take another one, half it goes up, half it goes down, right? Therefore, how it represented? You take one particular face. Suppose I am taking face B, C, E, G. B, C, G, F. Half of it. The remaining half of the sphere inside. Right? This is half of the sphere inside the cube. Can you follow? Similarly here, half is inside. Similarly here, half is down. Here, half is inside. Like that. Can you follow? Center is shared by 2 other unit cell. Therefore, its contribution is what? Therefore, I write its contribution is 1 by 8 here, 1 by 2. That is 50% is this side, 50% is this. The sphere is 50% inside, 50% outside. Okay, others. Therefore, contributes all right. Now, what about the... See now, what is edge? Face. See edges. See, suppose this is a specimen. Again I will repeat, this is a specimen. This is a specimen, right? A, B, G, H. A, B, G, H. A, below that D is there. Okay. Below B, the point C is there. Below G, F. Below H, E. Right? Now this is the given specimen. Now it is surrounded by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, lot of adjacent cube. Now I magnify this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here H and below that E is there. Suppose one sphere, this one sphere is here, that means 1/4 is contributed here, right? 1/4 is contributed. Then again another 1/4 contribution for this adjacent. Here another 1/4. Inside 1/4. Therefore edge face contribution is not 1/4. Can you follow? Therefore edge face shared by 4 other unit cells. Right? This edge face center is shared by 1, 2, 3, 4 other unit cells. Next, body center. Body center is what? Only 1. Right? See, this body center is completely present inside the unit cell. Therefore, its contribution is 1. Okay? Therefore, corner, face, edge, then body center. But I am using my own symbol. I don't know what symbol the textbook or the exam they use it for remembering. We do this. Okay. This is Lasswell constant. See, remember these things always. For a what is that? Corner, there are 8 and its contribution is what? 1/8. Face, center, there are 6 faces are there. Its contribution is what? Half. Then edge. Edge. How many edges are there? There are 12 edges. And its contribution is what? Each edge contribution is 1/4. Body center 1. This also 1. Please remember for a symbol. Remember for all exams. In a cubical cell, one problem I'll do it. At corner there are A atoms. Atoms are at the corners. And B atoms are at face centers. There are A atoms. There are about 12 atoms are like that. A atoms, one particular say. C atoms are at edge center. Okay. Again I'll tell you, A atoms are at the corner, B atoms are at face center, C atoms are at edge, and D at body center. Say example, it may be a sodium, this may be chloride, this may be barium, something, some X, Y, Z and all that. You understood? I am generalizing it so that there are 12 problems are there in this. Totally all 6 to 7 question papers of NEET. Every year this problem has been repeating. Therefore, only elements are changing. Therefore, I written ABC. If you do this problem, you have solved all the question papers in the NEET and future also same thing. It's repeating. Because for every 10,000 student data, only 4 or 5 students are attempting this problem and getting through. Attempting the problem around 100 students attempt. But perfectly getting through is 4 or 5. Because these are the things are more important. Okay. See, again I am recollecting. Corner 8, its contribution is 1/8. Face center, there are 6 faces. Its contribution is half. Here which element is there? Here B B atoms are there, different. Then edge. How many edges are there? 12 edges, and its contribution is what? 1/4. C atom is there. Then body center 1, its contribution is 1. See, remember, in different possible methods. See, I am getting a new ideas. See, here I got one idea. Instead of doing 7 problems, I got an idea that A, B, C, D. Therefore, as you do today, I got that idea. Tomorrow, I may not get that. Right? Therefore, with this, we have to calculate the formula. That means using this data, they'll give calculate the formula for unit cell. Is it clear? You need not write the diagram in the examination. One shot you can do it. But what is better, I used to remember mentally what is going on in my mind as I read the problem. See, A atom is one color, you put it. Okay. This is put one color. Take color pencil or color, different color. Suppose this is brown color, I am going to put it A. Brain. Okay. Now, how many faces? 6 faces, is it not? Face center. This is blue color, I am going to put it, say. This is blue. Here I will put it here. This is one face. I am going to put it here. Blue color. This is another face. I will put it blue color.